About that time. Let's do another lot walk. What's up and welcome back. We're up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Getting a late start here on a Tuesday. And we're gonna do the walk. Showing all the new cars that came in this last week. We get about 10 a week here. It's usually all American classic muscle cars. So check us out here on YouTube. You can look at cars currently available. There's a playlist. We also have financing and shipping available. You can get pre-approved. You see the car you like, you'll be ready to buy it. So Mondays at 11 is the general update since this was a holiday. And I hope y'all had a great weekend. We updated today at on Tuesday at 11. And we did put 10 new cars. So I'm gonna go through, I got all the test drives put up. So you can check those out. And I'll tell you the price of the year, and we'll keep moving. Be sure to hit subscribe, share this channel. That helps me out quite a bit. Let's get started. This one on the front row, 1952 Dodge Coronet 13.9. Of course, right next to that, pretty cool flamed up paint job, 1953 210 coupe. And of course this one's got the big block in it. It's at 21.9. It's got ostrich interior. Pretty wild setup on the inside. I don't think it's unlocked. We can try to sneak a peek at that interior. It's definitely worth a look. Let's see. If not, check out the test drive video, and I have plenty of description on this one. It's actually pretty fast. Then of course right next to that, 1956 Bel Air. This one's got the 409 in it, 4-speed, 25.9. Guys, you finally noticed it's not raining. We've had a good straight weekend. No rain in the forecast, which is awesome. But that means it's about to get hot. This thing right here is beautiful. It looks black, but it has red metallic flake all in it. Absolutely love this 55 Bel Air. This one here, 4-speed car at 42.9. Looks like the hood's unlocked. There we go. Beautiful under the hood, aluminum radiator. And yes, the test drive video is out. Right next to that, 1956 210. This one's blue and white at 42.9. And hold don't mean sold till the cash is out, guys. So holds on the windshield to give people about 24 hours to come up with the rest of the money. Right next to that, 1966 Chevy Caprice. This one's at 27.9, and this is a really nice straightforward car here. All right, coming down the right side of the car lot here, 1968 Chevy Corvette, matching number motor, 4-speed, 25.9. Hold is on the windshield, but you know that motto, hold don't mean sold. Got the old 65 Mustang up here. And this one's 17.9, and it just came in. That's new inventory. That video is out and ready for you to watch. It actually ended up being a pretty good test drive. Right next to that, 1979 Camaro. This one's 16.9. Sorry about the shadow, guys. I usually film in the mornings, but I've been doing a lot of different editing today, trying to get these videos out for you. set of Boyds, the Valiant. This thing's 16.9. It's in very good shape. This is a 1969 Plymouth Valiant. The interior's in great shape. Details, 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Be sure to go there and check that out. That's on every car on the lot. Another new one here. They had a snakeskin vinyl top as a factory option. 1973 Plymouth Duster. This one's at $13.9. It's like Al Bundy. Right next to it, 1974 Plymouth Scamp for $14.9. It's in that sweet spot price range. We got a lot of stuff under 20 grand. Everybody's been asking for. There's old Fusion Kid. All right, guys, we're gonna jump off into the showroom. We'll also go to the Hot Wheels room, and then we'll check out the whole left side of the car lot. I'll be right back. And then, of course, right next door to Maple Motors is Pops' Hot Wheels room. Go check out Jim Fight's Hot Wheels store here on YouTube. Hit subscribe. We'll put out videos randomly when he updates the room. And we end up usually putting the whole room here. So you can go check that out. They're about an hour long. All right, let's get back out there and head to the showroom. Of course, we're up in the showroom, and the old Chevelle over there is already sold, and the two cars in the back there are already sold. What's new to the website is this Mustang. This was a magazine car, 1965 model, at $25.9. I'm loving the front end. It's pretty sweet. And of course, up here, we've got this Cobra. This thing's only got 12,000 miles on it. 03 Cobra Mustang, 12,000 miles at $35.9. This old Super Bee, this is a matching number car at $45.9. Test drive turned out really well on this one as well. You know, the interior's in good shape. It's been taken care of, replaced. Very cool. Super Bee. And you can also pick up tapestries under merchandise. Just go on over to maplemotors.com and check that out. You can pick up some t-shirts too. Let's get back out here to the car lot. Then we got a 1965 Patina step-side truck. This one's $16.9. We had the old panel wagon. We took it off the website, and it has a deposit at $19.9. Coming around, we got a step-side C10 pickup truck here. This one is available at $27.9. And of course, we got a 1965 sitting here. And then a 1964 sitting right here. This is more of a Pro Street truck at $27.9. Got the sunroof in it. Pinstriping all the way around. And guys, last week you seen all three of these. They're all sold now. The old Viking back there is gone. Station wagon with the LS is already sold. The truck is gone. But coming around to the edge here, this one is on hold at the moment. $14.9 is a 1968 Ford Thunderbird. '70 Impala, I believe this one's sold. We're getting ready to cycle out some of this inventory up here. Right here, this one just came out, 1970 Chevelle Holley Sniper, power steering, power brakes, to go to digital dash. Talking runs and drives, awesome. $29.9. Got the old Cutlass sitting here at $11.9. Actually, it's not $11.9. Price drop on this one. It went down to $10.9. I got to change the window. But this was a 1976 Cutlass. Cutlass sitting right next to it. This one's new inventory, just came out at $24.9. Actually runs and drives good. 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass. All right, we made it around the lot. We're just going to breeze through one more time, make sure we didn't miss anything. We are a family business of 40 years. I am the youngest here. Well, I say that. My sisters are coming in now. And you might see them throughout Instagram. They help with the posts. They also help with comments. I do all the YouTube stuff. You got my grandfather, my two uncles. And we're all up here every day, except for Saturday and Sunday. So don't try to come up on Saturday and Sunday. We're not going to be here. We do update that website every Monday, except for when there's a holiday on a Monday. And we'll put about 10 cars on every week. We usually end up with 15 a week, but 5 of those will sell before I can list them. It does happen that way. We have a lot of walk-in clients. We have people coming in from all over the country. Pretty much daily I meet somebody from at least 500 miles away. It is very cool to meet all these people from all over, especially when they're coming down from Canada, Wisconsin, Boston. I've had people come out from California. Tons of these cars go to California. There is a huge car community out there, guys. And of course, we do have financing, so you can get pre-approved. That way, when you see something on Monday you like, watch the video, look at the detailed pictures, call us, you're pre-approved. Easy as that. We take cashier's check, cash, or wire transfer. Trying to knock out some of those simple questions that most people ask. And of course, we don't put out cars that are already sold. We always put them out, and then sometimes they'll sell right at 11 when I post them, especially if there's people they know Monday's at 11 that the videos are coming out, the pictures are coming out of all the new ones. We do got some Sea-Doos up here right now. I don't know how long they're going to last. I had 4 or 5 people stop today alone. These are supercharged RXP 215s. They're going to be 12.9. Very fast. 68 mile an hour skis. Faster, take the tune off, or put a tune on them. But I don't think you're actually allowed to do that. Not here on this lake, at least. There's a few other rides in the back. We got the step side patina truck. We've got the old 65 Mustang in the showroom. We've got the Super Bee in the showroom, and we've got the 03 Cobra with 12,000 miles. Guys, keep that in mind. Again, hit subscribe, share this channel. That helps me out quite a bit. I'll keep making these videos, and sorry for the late post, but I definitely wanted to get the walk out here for you. I know y'all like that, and you're always asking about it. So we're gonna do it to it, guys. I'm gonna go back in here, get this video put together for y'all tonight. Again, I hope y'all had a great Memorial Day weekend. And next week is going to be a shorter week. We may only list 5-ish cars, maybe more. Videos are going to be slacking. I'm actually going to a family wedding, so I got today to work on the videos if we get the cars done, and I've got tomorrow to work on the videos. There will be no walk for next week. There's not much I could do about that unless, you know, there might be. You never know. I may put it out on Tuesday again. Guys, thank you again. I'll see you later.